Green Hut has 750 acres of land that we've subdivided into different offerings. So where we are right now, this is called the Green Hut Village, where we have parcels of lands and houses. For the houses that we have, is this kind of design that we have here. So we have from 2-bedroom to 4-bedroom houses, and also we have plots from a quarter up to a half. So for the houses, we have houses that range from around 9 million up to 15.95. And for the plots that we have plots that range from 3.75 million up to 8.15. So we also have another project on the other side, which is called the Tuli Gardens. Tuli Gardens, these are duplexes. These are 3-bedroom houses. They sit on 136 square meter and they go for 9.95 million. So they sit on 1/8 of an acre, and all of it, the house and the plot, goes for 9.95. When it comes to how we build our houses, we use sustainable materials. You can look at the kind of finish that we have. These are coral dust mixed with white cement, and then it gives us this earthly kind of finish from the inside. We position it in a way that it allows maximum air circulation. And apart from the positioning, we have things like these boxes. These are called jelly walls. The louvered big windows, the high ceilings. We have water, which is already on site, a powerhouse that takes care of Green Hut Village and its environment. And also we have another powerhouse on the sanctuary as well. When it comes to the amenities around the food movement, we have that business hub there. We have specific areas that we've set aside that you're going to have recreative centers. Our pools will have like places where kids can play.